Maple is last to the breakfast table. She's here to clean everybody's mess. That's her job. That's little blue girl. They know Maple's rules. Stay out of the way when she's eating. Maple gives little warning bites when they get too close to her food. See that puppy nose? He's been reprimanded before. That's little black boy. It's been raining this morning, and look at this. Oh my God, you're such a mess. Y'all are so messy. Walking has become difficult. You're a total mess. Let's see. Let's do a head count. Oh God, where do I start? Alright, later I'll do a head count. Okay. I got all the puppies eating with the chickens. Got the sheep over there. Got trash in the yard that the puppies have found. Because that's how that goes. Alright, Ladybird's puppies are definitely getting bigger. Much more confident. Here they all are. Bobby Joe's puppies are getting there too. They're just littler. Alright, green boy. That's one of Bobby Joe's puppies, the orange one. Purple girl from Ladybird. And that's my little silver boy. Blue boy, he's kind of goofy. And Mr. Smarty Pants Yellow boy. Who else am I missing? Where's Red boy? Where's the chunkster? No. Where's Red boy? Come on, puppy. Oh, he's over there chilling out. I see him with the little ones. Hi, Red boy. He's definitely a chilled out guy. Look at your chunky face. Yeah, there's little Red boy. Oh my gosh, look at all these puppies. Going right up to them all. That's a little Bobby Joe puppy. That's Orange Boy. Which one was this? Brown Boy. Orange Boy and Brown Boy. They get in there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start pointing out some of the little characteristics that I find with these puppies. Now, of course, they're distracted by Mama. Oh, that's Daddy. And excuse this junk. This has been kind of a catch-all area for us lately. It's an organized junk mess, if there's such a thing. Anyhow, okay, so personalities on Ladybird puppies, because they will be up for selection somewhat soon. I find that Green Boy is just a good all-around guy. No particular problems with him. He did go out with me out into the pasture with the sheep the other day, and I left him out there and he did a great job getting back on his own. Here's little yellow guy. Yellow boy, I do think he's got the excuse me, No, that's mine. I think Yellow Boy has the greatest amount of intelligence. He is just right in the mix all the time. I think he's going to be an awesome guy. They've all adapted extremely well to chickens and sheep. I have had a couple of times where Yellow Boy, I did have to reprimand him with chickens a few times, but it hasn't been a problem. You know, when they're young, stuff like that's bound to happen, and it's a matter of just teaching him. But he's learned very well. Let's see, who else we got? Red Boy, he is very chilled out, very calm, very sweet, kind of inquisitive. He never shied away from the sheep at any point. Never had any problems with him and chickens. This is little blue guy. He's been great with sheep and chickens as well. He's a little bit of a goofy personality. Very sweet. Alright, so who else am I missing, Sweeve? Purple Girl. Well, Purple Girl's the only girl of the bunch, but she is kind of like the girl version of Yellow Boy. She's pretty smart. She's always up in the mix as well. She doesn't shy away from anything. Definitely a confident little girl. I haven't had any lack of confidence in Ladybird's litter here. And then Silver, of course, who's staying with us. And there he is. There's your pretty little face. You're so pretty. Yeah, hi. Yes, okay. Hi. You're cute. Okay, so what's been going on with Bobby Joe's puppies? Well, they're definitely getting bigger and more rambunctious, hanging out with the big puppies, so they're just learning everything. And you know what? This is actually the first litter where Ladybird had her puppies first before Bobby Joe's. And since I do tend to see that bigger variation in Bobby Joe's puppies, I have found that with them learning from Ladybird's older puppies, they've been a much more even-keeled bunch. It's actually kind of a nice thing to see. So with Bobby Joe's puppies, let me mention what I'm seeing so far with them. I'll start with the girls. Blue Girl and Purple Girl, always in the mix. Always right there with me when I'm bringing them over to see sheep and chickens and such. Pretty confident little things. I do tend to find that Blue Girl is more dominant, I would say. She's a feisty little thing. That's a good word for her. Blue Girl, or Purple Girl, is somewhat, but not quite as much as Blue Girl so far. Little Pink Girl, here she is. Pink Girl, hey, hi. Can I see your little face? She's so cute. She's not as dominant, you know, when it comes to like puppy fights and stuff, but she's a bright little girl. She's just a bouncy, sweet little thing. She does very well with the animals, of course. No problems with her. Let's see. Oh, another interesting thing about Blue Girl. So last night we had a little bonfire. We burnt some cardboard boxes and stuff like that we just needed to get rid of. And little Blue Girl walked right up to the fire and was really interested in it. And she sat there and just kind of zoned out on the fire for a while, which is great. She didn't have a major fear of the fire. She didn't try to walk right into it either, which is good. But that was a good bit of confidence to see in that little one. Later on in the evening, Orange Boy from Bobby Joe also decided he wanted to check out the fire for a little while. He wasn't quite as inquisitive about it as Blue Girl was, but he did take some time to check it out. All right. Let's see. Brown Boy and Black Boy. Black Boy, I was still so impressed with him about going out into the pasture with us the other day. I would say Black Boy is actually kind of a chilled out puppy. But he does a good job. You know, he followed me out into the pasture. I've seen him on his own go and lay down with the sheep a couple times. He's just a cool little guy. Then there's little Green Boy. Green Boy from Bobby Joe. I have definitely seen him be more willing to break away from the rest of them. So that shows me a good amount of confidence. He's probably going to be, in my estimation, a good patrolling type of a puppy. A good patroller. This is all the training in the world that they need. Just being around the sheep. Birdie. Now that is the most distracting thing possible when it comes to training. Puppies! Okay, well, training time over. Yep, she's beginning to wean. Mama says no. Puppies, come on, little ones. Those are Bobby Joe puppies. What are you doing, yellow boy? You're so crazy. Orange boy, of course. Yeah, orange boy he's a confident thing. Got a little one over here. Hey, be nice to the sheep. That's our ram. Let's see, who is this? Orange boy, of course. When I recommend a puppy for sheep or goats or something like that, I normally recommend the ones who are just more confident. That's what it is. And that's simply because they'll need a little more confidence to be able to be confident enough to handle sheep and goat attitudes sometimes, as well as cattle even. And they'll do fine with chickens as well. Now the ones that are a little less confident that way, I mean, they can do fine with sheep and goats. But I tend to recommend them for chickens just because, you know, they do great with chickens. And they don't need as much of an added sense of confidence about them with chickens. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Brown boy. Purple girl. Who are you? Blue boy. You're yellow. I can see it in your face. You're yellow. Yes. Yellow and blue. Kind of goofy. But you're pretty smart. You got some good confidence. I think you'll be great with sheep. You'll be pretty good with sheep too. Crazy. So pretty soon here, right when people select their puppies, right at 8 weeks, that's when I stop paying close attention to them, because all of a sudden I become more of a distraction than anything. Puppies, come on. Come on, little ones. Come on. Yes, is this little pink girl? Yes, it is. I can see your cute little face. Spunky little thing. That's little blue girl. You look like a poodle. Your hair's frizzy. Look at her. She doesn't back down from a fight, that's for sure. It's her and Brown Boy going at it. Alright, come on puppies! Alright, we got a few Bobby Joe puppies out here. Who's this? Blue girl, yes. Let me see, Orange Boy, of course. Those are the two Bobby Joe puppies I got. We've got Red Boy. Your red has turned to pink. I swear to God. That's Green Boy. That is that Blue Boy? Purple Girl. This is Purple Girl. No, Blue Boy. But we do have Purple Girl out here too, somewhere. Maybe that was her that went back. blue, red, green, and yellow. Blue, red, green, and yellow. So purple girl turned back. She's gonna be awesome. Oh, that's Orange Boy. You're gonna be awesome too. Orange Boy and Blue Girl, those two. Pretty happy to see them out here. Little Blue Girl. Right up in. That's exactly what I like to see. Following the sheep. Orange Boy, Blue Girl from Bobby Joe. And then Ladybird's puppies are yellow, red, blue, and what was the other one? Green. Yellow, green, blue, red from Ladybird. So right now they don't feel very safe because they are out of their little element, coming out into this pasture, being such youngsters. But they've had enough time with these sheep that they feel safe following them and being close to them as opposed to by themselves. Oh, that's little Blue Girl right in front. You are awesome. All right, puppies. Get closer. Hi, Red Boy. Blue Girl. Red Boy. Right there. Blue. And then, oh no, this is red. Red, green, blue. Come on, boy. You're okay. Yeah, that's Blue Boy. So Yellow Boy's up front. Come on, puppies. Come on, little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, little ones. This is exactly what I like to see. These puppies are following the sheep on their own. They feel safe with the sheep, so that's why they're following them. I'm going to bring these puppies into the shade over here. You can see Duke is off in the shade. Y'all did a good job. Y'all untied my shoelaces. Thank you. You're being so sweet with your baby. Maple, are you comfy? Hi. Look at your pretty face.